Here is the world of ingenious furniture. Every detail is the deep interpretation of the quality of life. Today, with full of gratitude and sincere expectations, we take the opportunity of the International Day of Friendship to express our deep gratitude to you, our valued customers. We are grateful to every customer who believes in our quality. Some of them were attracted by our social media videos and visited our factory in the exhibition, which has just been finished, and just looked at a few pictures and ordered a lot of containers, and so on. Your trust and satisfaction is our motivation to continue to move forward. Here, we sincerely welcome you, new friends who may join hands in the future, to enter our factory and witness the birth journey of each piece of furniture. There are not only advanced production equipment and rigorous production process here, but also our persistent adherence to quality and humanized pursuit of service. Whether you are looking for a unique design or expect a stable supply, we will work with you to achieve mutual benefit and win-win situation. We are in the furniture factory. We are in Shanghai Hongqiao CIFF in September, waiting for you to come.